Our speaker is Dr. George Asenero. From 1979 to 1991, Dr. Asenero worked for the United Nations University, first in Geneva, and then in the headquarters in Tokyo. He was in charge on the UNU side of the research project on development, headed by Johan Galtung, and on regional studies for Latin America, headed by Pablo Gonzalez Casanova, and for Africa, headed by Samir Amin. These UNU research projects, which also included regional studies of Europe and Asia, were carried out by a network of academic institutions in different countries and regions, one of which for the Asian region was the UP Third World Studies Center. As UNU researcher, he was assigned to work with Max Planck Institute in Starnberg, Germany, which was the center for coordinating research by scholars identified with world system theory. He studied at the University of the Philippines, political science, but he said he took a lot of philosophy courses under Cesar Mahmoud, and then pursued postgraduate studies in Sweden at the International Graduate School of the University of Stockholm. He became involved in peace research at the University of Uppsala, where he met Johan Galtung. Years later, he was invited by Galtung to join him at the University of Geneva, where he pursued postgraduate studies in development economics and doctoral studies in international relations while working as Galtung's assistant in the UNU research project called Goals, Processes, and Indicators of Development. Later, at the UNU headquarters in Tokyo, he worked under Vice Rector Kennedy Mushakoji until the latter's retirement. His publications have been primarily in world system studies and have been published in various countries and languages. Our first reactor will be Dr. Silvia Estrada Claudio, or Guy, is a doctor of medicine who also holds a PhD in psychology. She is chair of the board of the Women's Global Network for Reproductive Rights, which has just transferred its main office to Manila after 25 years in Amsterdam. She is also director of the University of the Philippines Center for Women's Studies and professor of the Department of Women and Development Studies, College of Social Work and Community Development, University of the Philippines. She is author of the book, Rape, Love, and Sexuality, The Construction of Woman in Discourse, published by UP Press in 2002. Guy considers herself an engaged scholar or a scholarly activist because she has spent most of her life in the Philippine social movement. Her current major civic society engagements are co-founder and now chair of the board of directors of Likaan, which is a non-governmental organization providing policy analysis and advocacy, health, education, and training, community organizing and reproductive and sexual health services to poor women and their families. She's also a fellow of the Action for Economic Reform, member of Filipino Free Thinkers, member of the Executive Committee of Akbayan, and chair of the board of the Women's Global Network for Reproductive Rights, which has offices in Manila and Amsterdam. For the past 20 years, she has been giving free psychological services to women victims of violence and other women with special needs. Our second reactor is Professor Alexander R. Magno. He is Professor of Political Science at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and was Third World Studies Center Director from 1992 to 1995, as seen in the photo. How he looked that time. He has since held various positions in the public sector, including such institutions as the Development Bank of the Philippines and the DBP Daiwa Capital Markets Inc. Educated at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and the University of Poitiers in France, Professor Magno has published works on the Philippine left and democratization. Also an editorial columnist in Philippine Star, he has been a prolific commentator on Philippine government politics and economy. Thank you. So maybe now please call on our speaker, Dr. George Asenero.